All right, IT professionals, listen up. Cyber threats are getting more sophisticated by the day, so how can you stay ahead of the curve? By prioritizing offline systems, of course. Here's why focusing on offline infrastructure can seriously boost your cybersecurity posture. First off, let's talk about reduced attack surfaces. Limited connectivity means offline infrastructure is less exposed to online threats. This significantly reduces the risk of remote attacks like hacking or malware infections. Next, data integrity. With controlled access, offline systems can protect sensitive data from unauthorized access and breaches, ensuring that your information remains secure. Now, let's address mitigating malware risks. Without an internet connection, the chances of downloading malware or ransomware are drastically minimized. That's a huge win for your security. Offline systems also offer resilience against network failures. Operational continuity is key here. These systems can maintain operations during internet outages or network disruptions, making sure critical functions remain unaffected. Enhanced privacy is another big plus. Storing sensitive information offline helps prevent data leaks and minimizes the risk of identity theft or data exploitation. And don't forget physical security. Offline infrastructure can be located in secure facilities, reducing the risk of physical tampering or theft. Simplified compliance is a game changer too. Many industries have strict data protection regulations. Offline systems can simplify compliance with laws like GDPR or IPA by limiting data access. Lower complexity is another benefit. Fewer connectivity requirements mean fewer vulnerabilities to manage, leading to a simpler security architecture. Let's not overlook effective backup solutions. Isolated backups are less susceptible to cyber threats, ensuring that critical data can be restored without compromise. And finally, control over software and updates. With offline systems, you can selectively apply software updates and patches, reducing the risk of introducing new vulnerabilities. In conclusion, while it's impossible to eliminate all risks, prioritizing offline infrastructure can significantly bolster your cyber safety. By minimizing exposure to online threats, organizations can better protect their sensitive data and maintain operational integrity in an increasingly hostile digital landscape. Thanks for tuning in, and remember, stay secure by staying smart.